guys, um, welcome back to Tekanda, and in this video I'm walking through on our assignments. Okay, I'm going to leave an assignment for you to solve, and you can submit to me on my email, and I'll check it out and reply back. Okay, and I'm working on how to actually approach it. Okay, so let's start with our slides from the beginning. So in this assignment, we're simply going to I want to print a bunch of values, okay, on your output, on your output on your console. If you actually have any challenges with this, you can still reply me on my email. And okay, so values to print. Yeah, for the first value, you print an integer 123. That's what I wanted to print on different line, which means when I say different line, it means that when you print this value, the next value should be on a different line, not on the same line. Okay. A string hi I'm a starter on different line, meaning this bool here should be on a different line. Bool I want to put a true value and a false value, but I want it to be in the same line. I forgot, and I actually omitted the different line. After you print a true value and a false value on the same line, I want to print 1.0 as your float on a different line, 5.6 as double on a different line, long as on a different line, short in a different line. So you actually understand by now what these things mean. And char, I want to put y as your output, and in our last video I actually printed y. So just experiment with all the keys in your keyboard and try to find what, when you run it, gives you y, or you can check our previous video and find out what it imputed that give us y. Yeah. So okay, thank you. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you like this video so much, you can share it with your colleagues and your mates. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.